All of Eastern Kentucky knows about the coal production in Kentucky. They know that we mine coal and that people's livelihoods depend on it. But some of the things I think we tend to forget are all the ancillary jobs that depend on our coal miners for their existence. And that's what you see here today at Maxim Rebuild. You see a company of 30 people located here in Ashland that if we stop mining coal, they lose their jobs. That's why I think it's so important that FACES and the Kentucky Coal Association take this message outside of the coal fields and make sure people understand it's going to affect them here at home.
You know, for every coal job we have 3 jobs that are supportive of the industry in some manner, shape, or form. The other interesting thing about this location, it's actually built on a reclaimed surface mine. A lot of people don't recognize the commerce that's created when you can develop post-mine land use into a place like Maxim Rebuild.
When you come into a place like this, you see real people who are creating real value for America here in the heartland. A lot of my colleagues in Washington, I think a lot in the agency community, think power comes when you hit the electric switch, and that's simply not the case. The entire supply chain of our whole economy ultimately comes back down to the earth and our source of energy. Coal is the overwhelming majority of that. It's clean, it is safe, dramatic improvements have been made.
I believe that the EPA is out of control. I think that we've got an EPA that's snubbing its nose at Congress, and I think we've got an EPA that is not adhering to the Constitution of the United States of America. The job of the EPA is to enforce the law. Their job is not to make the law.